Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious chicken recipe. I'll be making shredded chicken breast from can in such a delicious way. You're going to love it. I'll use two of these cans. These are the chicken breasts. These are in a can and these are 12.5 ounce. It's a 354 gram. I've taken out the chicken breast meat, and this chicken is a pre-cooked chicken, and this is pure white meat, and it's a shredded chicken breast. And this one contains salt. So when you add salt into your dish to add to taste. So I'll be using two chicken breast can, and to make it tasty, these are frozen 12 ounce. These are whole kernel corn. This is sweet corn, and the sweet peas. This is also 12 ounce. These are 340 grams each. If you like to add fresh, you always can do so. Green chili, garlic, ginger, 1 teaspoon each, half teaspoon cumin seed, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, half teaspoon each, 1 red onion and 1 tomato, and for tadka, olive oil. So let's start making our delicious shredded chicken from can. Start burner. Get a fry pan, 2 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed. Give like 10 seconds. This is good. Add garlic. Add ginger. Mix it well and cook them for like 10 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking for 3 minutes. This is how the onion looks. And now add green chili. Mix it well. And keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Don't need to burn the onions. We want to keep the onion fresh. And now add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes with the cover lid. Mix it well. As we can see, the tomatoes are tender. Now add all spices. Salt, cumin, coriander, garam masala, turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking all the spices with tadka for 1 minute. Now I'll add frozen corn. Mix it well. After mixing it, now we need to add sweet peas. Bring the gas to medium and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly on medium gas. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking with the covered lid. Mix it well. Peas and corn don't take that long to cook. Add shredded chicken. Mix it well. Break up these pieces. As you can see, it's a shredded chicken breast. This is fully cooked. So just press it and break it into smaller pieces. Bring your gas to low. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly, and on low gas, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Chicken will blend in with vegetable and it will taste good. On low gas, it's exactly cooking for 5 minutes. Mix it, and our dish is all ready. And very quick and easy to make and super delicious. Turn off the gas. I'm a serving platter ready, and we'll dish out. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty and delicious shredded chicken breast from can with vegetables. Please try it and you're going to love it. And please share your comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.